Good morning students. This is Srinivasa Parmal. Today we are going for new session, chapter 4, linear equation in two variable. So what is meant by linear equations? Linear equation means the maximum power of equation is must be 1. Then two variable means a term contain two terms. For example, two variable x comma y or a comma b. So like this. Example, the linear equation, the maximum power is equal to 1. So check whether the following terms are linear or not. For example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The maximum power is equal to 1. That means the power of x equal to only 1. So this term is called the linear equation. Then y plus 5 is equal to 0. So now the variable is y and the y power, the maximum term, the power is equal to 1. So the given equation also linear equation. 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. Just compare. The power, the maximum power is equal to 2. So power value equal to 2. So this is not a linear equation. And 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the maximum power. So here 1 and 2. But the maximum power equal to 2. So this equation is also not a linear equation. Now, linear equation in two variable. That means a equation minimum have two terms. That means a two variable, either x or y, x comma y or p comma q, a comma b, like this. The first one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. So this time the power of x equal to 1 and the power of y is also 1. So the maximum power of the entire equation is 1. So this term is a linear equation and also the two variable. Next, 2x square plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now the power of x is equal to 2 and power of y is equal to 1. But the maximum power is equal to 2. So this is not a linear equation, but it's a two variable equation. Then two x minus 5 is equal to 0. The power of x equal to 1, but there is no y terms. So this is a linear equation, but it's a one variable, so not for two variable. So this is a linear equation and one variable. So this equation is not a two variable equations. Then 5x plus 6y minus 2z is equal to 7. So check here, three variable x, y and z, but the power is 1. So power of all are equal to 1. This is a linear equation, but not a linear in two variable, because linear equation in three variables. Now moving for the general format of linear equations. The general equations, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is a general form. Now move for exercise 4.1. The first question, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen, and write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Yeah, the cost of notebook we fixing x, cost of notebook equal to x, and cost of pen equal to y. The given statement, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. That means the cost of notebook x is equal to twice the cost of pen. So 2 times of y. The general format, this time is moving to here. So final equation, x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation. In question number 2, express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is a general equation format, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Move for first question. The general equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So just move the entire term in the left side. So the given question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.3y bar. So this term is moving to left side. 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Just compare these two equations. Now the values of a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 9.35 bar. Then second equation. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So just compare the general equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The position of x is 1. That means the position of a is equal to 1. So a equal to 1 and value of b equal to minus 1 by 5. Then c is equal to minus 10. Then third equation, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. But the general format every times is only for left side. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Just compare the general equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The position of a equal to minus 2 and b equal to plus 3, c is equal to minus 6. Then question number 4. X is equal to 3y. Again this time is moving to left side. X minus 3y is equal to 0. So comparing the general equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The value of a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1. But here there is no 0. Sorry, the c value is no value. So the general format is x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. For example, this is for our reference. So the value of c is equal to 0. Question number 5. The given equation is 2x equal to minus 5y. Then the general format, this term is moving to left side. So 2x plus 5y. So there is no constant term. So we make it 0 like this. Just compare the general format, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. So there is no constant. Though c is equal to 0. Then question number 6. 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. But compare, there is no y terms. So just replacing 2x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now comparing to general equation, the value of a equal to 2 and b is equal to 0, then c is equal to 2. Then seventh one, y minus 2 is equal to 0. This question the x term is missing, so 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Just compare the general one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 0 and b equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. The last one, 8th. 5 is equal to 2x. So here also this term is moving to left side, or you can move this term to right side. So both are the same meaning. So first one, this term is moving to left side. Minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So that means there is no y value. So minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now the value of a equal to minus 2, b equal to 0 and c is equal to plus 5. Using the next pattern, the 5 is moving to right side. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here also the y is missing. So 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. The value of a equal to 2 and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 5. Both have the same meaning.